exposure ikancane kancane. I was signed by Galo Records.
Sure.
I signed was supposed to. In fact, makangisigna wangisigna sinothandiswa mazwayi no lalintombazane lecula indie ready.
Simphiwe Dana. Yes.
Yeah, nalabafana laba hip hop man. Baduma kakhulu. The first guys aba introduce hip hop is South Africa.
Ibathini? Prophets of the City.
No, not labo man. Man. Bebana lentombazana.
Squatter Camp.
Squatter Camp,
Yeah.
yes. In fact, Sipho assembled something that was brilliant, Ekar.
Sure.
But I don't know what happened because Tina signed Tina. Album laga Thandiso go to Puma. It was doing so well. So Sipho had an interest. Kahle uSipho wanted kancane.
Okay.
We had a boxing man and he said to me, Mantemba, I want to change the song. I want to make it commercial. I had to find no price to play trumpet on the song. But we didn't agree. Being stubborn. I was very stubborn.
Yeah.
Study sound engineering here. Don't come here. Because when we were strict in University of Natal, we were full on a theory of music. And I never did theory at that time. And they made me sit on that grand piano.
Sure.
Mama calls, hey, this lecturer won't shy. No. We are playing the chords. But with an ear.
Yeah.
They said to me no. And the problem, Mauntwana, what developer what developer wrong. It's difficult to change.
Ngoba sekuyihebit.
Yeah, so we heavy.
Sure.
So mangi TW luckily ngathola kune structure sakwayo. Baka studio. That was my interest. I always wanted to be inside the studio.
Sure.
So I studied sound engineering there for 3 years at UTW. I studied sound engineering. I also studied jazz vocals. I studied tamawini instruments, saxophone, clarinet. Then all my completion when I came back in 1993, my mother resigned at Woolworths.
Sure.
And my mother did something and I will never forget.